Everyone, I'm learn to your the keyboard setting and setup. And first, and download is the WinZip is here, the Windows Smart keyboard, and inside here the unzip. The second is here. It's open the file. And here's the open right the keyboard set is here. Okay, let me the learner English. I the set to the light is here. It's the light the open. And places your to the mode and the light mode. Okay, it's here the one and the second and here. Okay, this way the images is amazing the light. Okay, that's set to the light mode. The change number is here. The most right. The basic key and the 02 and the ABC to the keys. Your want to the key. The change A or change the 2. Okay, it's here. Out to the changer is the save